In this video, we'll demonstrate how to read and share the system report on your MacBook with tech support when needed. Essentially, a system report provides a comprehensive overview of your Mac's hardware, software, and network configurations. It serves to diagnose hardware issues, identify software conflicts, and optimize overall performance. Now, let's understand how to access your MacBook's system report. Press Command and Spacebar to open Spotlight Search. Type System Settings and press Return. Navigate to General from the left sidebar and select About. Scroll down to the end and click on System Report. This will launch a new window displaying your Mac's details. To share it, press Command and P keys on the System Report window. Click on PDF at the bottom left corner. Then, name the file, choose the location, and finally, click on Save. That's it! This video serves as the ultimate guide to reading and sharing the system report on your MacBook. Make sure to subscribe to Guiding Tech and take a look at one of these videos you might enjoy.